What's your wing flavor, Will? Did we talk about this before?
I like just regular hot wings.
But
Maybe with
wait a second. Wait.
some Scotch bonnet.
Hang on.
What?
There's absolutely no way you're getting a cop out with that. Regular hot wings. You have mild, medium, hot. You have extra suicide. You have all kinds of different.
So I
levels
like
to it.
Scotch bonnet. That kind of sauce is really good. It's not too hot.
What
and
would
it's
you call
also-
it? It's like a medium.
Yeah,
It's like a medium.
similar to jalapeno in a way,
Okay,
in terms of spiciness.
you're a medium guy. Medium spice.
But I like the dips more. So I like
Is it like a dill or
blue cheese.
blue cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
are you
that's
dipping every single bite?
No, I like to change it up sometimes.
Oh, interesting. Wow, this is quite a development over here. I'm very glad that we had this conversation.
Yeah.
What about when they give you the celery sticks and the carrot sticks with your thing?
I enjoy it.
It's
Yeah.
kind of nice with the
It's
fresh
variety.
Oh, and then the last one for you, since we're on the topic
Okay.
of the two varieties of chicken wing, you know how you have the long, slender portion and then you have the drumstick portion?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
This is a controversial subject. Some people like one much more than the other.
I'm not a fan of drumsticks. I'll take the
The
is it the wing? The
wing.
slender?
The
Sure.
wing, yeah.
Yeah. I'm a big fan of the slender.
I'm just
thing.
glad we got to the bottom of this. If any of you guys end up taking Will to the wing spot, now you already know what he wants. Or if you
I prefer it.
want to order, you can order Will wings on DoorDash and just send it over and request no drumsticks, medium, lots of blue cheese dip, and plenty of celery and carrot sticks.
What about you?
We're not talking about me today. Apple is now selling standalone Magic Keyboard with Touch ID starting at $149. This is another story that I sort of briefly figured out because I saw a PSA on Twitter. Somebody was stating, don't buy this unless you have an M1 Mac because it won't work. The Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. I only have one of them sitting around from that the blue iMac, which I have used very infrequently, but it works really well. And
Do you like the typing experience?
it's a small keyboard.
Oh, okay.
If you're used to a MacBook, then it's kind of in the same realm. The direction keys have driven me nuts since they've existed, with the larger left right and then the smaller up down. But I don't know. I'm nitpicking. They obviously want to have a simple,
But look how nice it
slim.
is.
I know what they want to do here, Will.
Yeah.
And if you have any kind of crazy setup like I do, then they also are very lightweight and they don't take up too much space. If you want to have like a trackpad and a big mouse, like I have a Logitech mouse, and so the point of them is obviously to be very slender in every direction. And then Touch ID is obviously great. Touch ID, you're unlocking your computer very quickly. But you need to have an M1 Mac. So I think there's a lot of people that would have thought, oh, this is going to be great for my old Mac. Now I can unlock it with my fingerprint. Because if you think about the M1 Macs that exist, the laptops have their own Touch ID already there. And the iMac ships with that keyboard. So who wants this keyboard? Right? Who's buying this keyboard? I guess it's a person who has, here, let me break it down for you. It's a person who has an M1 Mac, but they like to use it in a more dock sort of position.
Sure.
Maybe on a stand or something along these lines. That person can now still use Touch ID on their desk with the laptop being slightly further away. That's who it's for, Will.
Okay.
We just determined it.
Yeah.
Get a nice little braided cable there as well. $150 is $150 though.
Still lightning.
Still lightning, yeah. I have it sitting over there. $150 is still $150 though. I just feel the need to reiterate that.
Yeah, and with the numeric pad, it's 180.
$180 is $180 as far as I'm concerned. And I don't know about you, Will, but as far as keyboards go, it's a few bucks.
Yeah. Well,
Or do you just add it to cart and you don't even care, guy like you?
I'll buy 10.
Okay, so I'm sorry I misread the situation there.